is Vivek Kannan. I work with Larsen & Toubro in Chennai. I'm a CI SAM Pro certified currently. I, in fact, came to know about CI SAM Pro last year and subsequently enrolled into the program. It's an extremely amazing program with a lot of networking sessions wherein we can meet people across various industries, and also the CI SAM Pro Connect group that we have, Telegram group that we have, is absolutely remarkable. We've got professionals from various organizations. They share their best practices and ideas across every domain in supply chain management. Even the last 2 months where we had the monthly topic on which we were supposed to discuss, I was fortunate enough to be a part of those two sessions as well. And lately I was involved in the the Negotiate Like a Pros program as well. So it is an absolute honor to be a part of CI